Hey guys, Josh over here at Silver Arrow Service. Today we got a 2021 Ford F-150. As you can see, the vehicle comes with no inner fender liners from the factory. So the client picked up a set of inner fender liners. We're going to go ahead and walk you through how to install these. I have the hardware on my tool bench and fender liners over there, so we'll take a walk over, show you what we have and how we're going to install these. So these are the fender liners. As you can see, they're pretty dummy proof. They're labeled left and right. And then we have our little hardware that came with it. We have enough for both sides. So it looks like we have 4 push pins and 2 screws for each side. I've already gone ahead and looked at the instructions. So I'm going to show you how we're going to put these in and get it all situated for the client. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these little metal brackets right here. There's an oval slot on either side down low. We'll go ahead and snap those in. One on the left, one on the right. We're going to take our fender liner, slip it right over the tire. Fit it right in there. And then we have these big plastic nuts. One goes there, one goes there. One goes over on that side, and one on this side. And then we got these 7mm screws right here. We're going to thread them right in to those metal retainers we installed. And that's it. So we're going to go ahead and repeat this procedure on the other side, and this will be all set. So that's how you install the rear fender liners on a 2021 Ford F-150. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us at 603-566-2075. Check us out on Facebook or online at silverarrowservice.com. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button below. Thanks for watching.